Welcome to Say Movie channel. Do you know how to download videos with subtitles? Or how to add external subtitles to your favorite shows or movies? You're in the right place. Everything you need to know is in this video. First, download and launch Say Movie Video 1. Once it's open, you'll see a variety of supported platforms on the homepage. Choose the website you're interested in, then log into your account. Use the built-in browser to search for the video you want to download. Wait a few seconds while the video loads. Once the gray download button in the bottom right turns blue, you're ready. Click the download button and a settings window will pop up. Here, you can customize your download, including choosing your preferred subtitle language and format. After the download is complete, go to the Library tab to view your saved videos. You can play them directly from here, or find the files stored locally on your computer. To edit the subtitles, open the subtitle file using Notepad or any text editor. Make any text changes you want, but do not alter the timing and numbering. Otherwise, the subtitles may not display correctly. When you're done editing, play the video using your device's default media player. Look for the subtitle icon, usually at the bottom of the screen. Select the subtitle file you just edited, and you'll see the subtitle successfully displayed in the video. If your edited subtitles don't appear automatically, just click Choose File to manually load the subtitle file from your saved location. And that's it. You now know how to download videos with subtitles and how to add your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.